everyone, I'm gonna make Turkish coffee today. I'm gonna show you how to make Turkish coffee. Here my Turkish coffee brand, Mehmet Efendi. Little bit advertised, but it's okay. So what I have, Turkish coffee and Turkish coffee pot, like that. How sweet. Yep. Water and sugar. I don't prefer sugar, but my team is, you know.
Hey, if you don't want to put sugar in mine, it's fine.
What? Yours?
No, I make it.
No sugar with you?
Make it, yeah.
All right. So, let's do it. I will show you step by step what we have. Those are little cute cups, but actually we have original Turkish coffee cups. This is original one, but I didn't find it in the market like that. It comes with the Turkish coffee. If you buy 3, 1 free, 1 cup free. Let's go and make it. How I'm gonna make it? My pot is on the stove, so I will measure water as a 4 cups. Water, and for each cups 1 dessert spoon coffee. One spoon coffee for each cup. And 4. A little more. Yep. So we're gonna put sugar at the end because we're gonna get without sugar. So our friends, they love sugar. That's why we're gonna put at the end sugar. It's easy to cook. It takes a little time, but you will like it. This is my favorite. Every morning I start the day with that coffee. So it's a life for me. You will like it. Try it. And don't forget, like and subscribe. It will take like 5-10 minutes. After you mix very well, you don't need to mix anymore. So you will see the cream on the top. After that, we're gonna take off the creams, each cups, and then our coffee almost be ready. Would you like some coffee? No? Sounds coming. Little. So we're waiting for it boil. But before boil, right before it boiled, see that cream? Come to show them. It has its own cream. See, we're gonna take it off and share each cups, and then we're gonna wait to boil and put it in the cups. Hey Maynard, are you ready for Turkish coffee?
Yeah, hell yeah, why not? This is Turkish coffee.
Yeah.
So I know what to do here.
He tried first time and he loves it. Loved
It's
it.
super good. A little strong, just add a little sugar. So if you want sugar, you're getting your coffee last. We're gonna take the cream off the top.
Yes.
We're gonna take the cream off the top and
Important. Cream is important.
Yes, I do agree. And it's actually a flavorful coffee. I don't even put no cream, no sugar in it. Well, I put a little sugar.
Oh yeah.
You're no sugar.
No sugar.
Yeah, you're a no sugar guy. What are you
Sugar
buying?
is
Are you
poison.
No sugar or sugar?
No sugar.
I'm usually coffee just black, but
Oh,
depends
yeah.
on how strong this is.
But it's actually very good tasting.
Okay.
It's different. I don't know. It's just it's different. I guess it's because of the whole bean. Not exactly sure.
And where do you
Right now,
Where do you
it's
get-
almost boiling. See, I will get the cream to each cups. I will share. Right here, I have more cream. I'm gonna put each cup one more time.
Okay, so you spoon off all the cream into the cups,
Yep.
Yes.
and then you finish boiling it.
Yes. Right here. So we can broke the creams right now.
Just get a little bit of that, Fatih. Get a little bit of that. Would you like some sugar?
Yes, I have sugar here.
Oh yes.
Right
In
here.
our handy dandy
Yes.
jar.
Woohoo.
Ooh, she bubbled up really good.
Yeah.
Wow, that almost came out the top of the pot, Fatih.
So for me,
Give Ryan the same way.
for Ryan,
Yes.
this is for me too because Amy gone.
Amy's
And then why we are putting sugar with the coffee and boil it? Because we don't want to break the cream that in the cup. So we so cream like that. If you put sugar in here to the cup, cream is gonna gone. And
Oh, I got you. So you put the cream in the pot first.
let it boil for a
Yes.
couple seconds, I guess. Look, we used it all.
yeah, ready. And we're gonna give to the boss
Oh, yeah.
special thing. Actually,
Look at I got
this
Nancy's
cup for her wife,
Yeah.
but her
This is my wife's cup.
her wife. I said her wife.
It's
Oh
okay.
my goodness.
She can be my wife. Too, it's fine. But this is her cup, and she feels fancy.
Yes.
So when you give her the little
but she's
saucer-
not here.
Yeah, she went to take the cat to
I'm
the
not gonna tell
veterinarian.
her. Don't worry.
It's okay, yeah, don't tell
All
her.
right.
We just have to wash it before she gets back.